Hello guys, welcome to this video and I hope you are doing absolutely awesome. So in this video I'm going to show you 6 of the best free passive income apps for 2019. So guys, I'm going to give you all the details right on this video. So guys, make sure to watch this video till the end. But guys, first I'm going to show you the one that are discontinued or at least not working at the moment. So guys, ClashShot used to be one of that pretty good for selling photos. So it's not really working right now. And another one is SlideJoy, Fronto and AdMe. And they all are lock screen ad apps that used to make money from putting ads on your lock screen. So guys, none of these seems to be working anymore. And the smartphone mate is kind like a data collection type of thing, and it's also not working right now. So Bitwalking, I don't think you can even get it right now. So they change their name a Bitwalk on their website, but they don't seems to have any links for downloading an app. So I think it's also not working in 2019. And guys, Data Wallet is another one that's no longer working. So if you want to know, do data collection and stuff like that, so Data Wallet is also not working in 2019. So guys, these are the apps that are no longer around in 2019. But now I'm showing you 6 best free passive income apps that are currently working, and you can download these apps and start making money. So guys, watch this video till the end. But guys, before we can jump onto this video, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't. I upload videos guys pretty much consistent basis, and it's daily, that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, and if you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question guys, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how I generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so if you want to make $100 a day online and it's totally worldwide, so click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you some more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be share with you some more information about that. So guys, let's jump onto this video. So guys, the first website and app we are going to look at is Foap. And guys, it's great if you like Instagram or if you're taking pictures. So basically you can get paid $5 every time somebody downloads your picture from the app. So, and each photo guys can be sold an unlimited number of times. So if you upload really good stuff, companies, entrepreneurs, whatever, blogger, they buy these photos and use them. So it's like a stock photo or something. So you create a profile guys where it says like your picture and put it your background image, your name, location, like bio. And then what you can do, you can upload these pictures that you take. So guys, it's kind like an Instagram where you can sell photos, and they also like big contest and stuff like that. So guys, you can make a lot of money for a certain type of photo. So guys, go ahead and check it out. Here as you can see, you can find out all the details here. So here you can see they have written that turn your photos into money, and what you can do, you can upload your photo and sell it to well-known brand all over the world. So basically you can sell your photos through their Foap market, and you can upload these photos straight from your phone. And guys, for a rating, they have pretty much good rating. They have 3.8 star out of 5, and it's available both on Android and iPhone devices. So go ahead and take a look guys. I leave a link below in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. So the website we are gonna look at next is MyPic. So it's an app, and it's currently available on App Store for iPhone devices only. So guys, it's called MyPic, and if you are pretty artistic, or if you take good pictures, or if you hire somebody like a graphic designer to come up with an original design, and you can sell the design in a form of print pillow, like t-shirts and stuff like that. And what happened is they allow you to sell these designs kind of like Teespring. So where you can create these things, and then when somebody buys them, then that company will print them for you, ship them for you, and they pay for you, and they just keep a commission for doing that. So guys, you can also go to the MyPick official website, but the app I haven't seen it from Android, so it's right now it's only available for Apple devices. So guys, go ahead and check it out. They are pretty well, great rating, 4.5 star out of 5, and they have a lot of a positive review, you can see here. So it's a great app, go ahead and take a look. So guys, the next app we gonna look at is Sweatcoin. So Sweatcoin guys pay you to move and exercise. So Sweatcoin hasn't been around very long, maybe a couple of years, but they basically pay you like cryptocurrency to walk, and you get paid a certain amount per step, or total steps that you do, and it's trying to encourage people to be healthier. So you get to track your steps, and then basically they pay you for more steps. And so it's just a free app that pay you to walk basically. And guys, we all walk, so therefore you can make passive income doing it. So basically they have 3.9 star out of 5, and it's a pretty much good review over here. They scoff nothing and give higher compensation for your steps. So a lot of people give a positive review about this app. So go ahead and download this app guys. It's both available for Android and iPhone devices. So I leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can go from there. So guys, the next app is LifeSlide. So guys, LifeSlide is pretty much the only lock screen ads app that I've seen that still work. So they put these ads kind of like your lock screen, and you earn a certain amount of point when you see that ad. And then what you can do, you can cash out via PayPal, and you can also refer people as well. So which is another type of passive income you can earn from apps. So basically you just let it work kind of on your lock screen like you did with a slide. So basically it's pay you a certain amount, so it won't be a lot guys, but you might make another $10 a month to see just from those ads. And as far as rating guys, they have 4.2 star out of 5, and they have a lot of a pretty much good rating and positive review. And guys, you can also earn money from referrals and doing other type of tasks like watching videos and stuff like that. So there are other ways to earn money, but as far as passive income guys, it will be referrals. So basically it's very simple. Every time you unlock your device, a bubble with a lifestyle logo will appear, and you can open it, and if you want to generate money or just delete it without any problem, then what's an ad appear guys, and you can open it. So if you're interested or close it, you will earn money in both ways. So it's a great app guys, go ahead and check it out. It's called LifeSlide, and I leave a link below in the description of this video, so you can go from there. So the another type of app guys that you can get are like different kinds of data collection app, and it's called Nielsen mobile app. So what you need to do, you can just sign up on their website or on the app, and then they say status active. So once it's actually working guys, what it does, it collect data in the background, and you just give them permission, and then they pay you for that. So guys, you're not gonna make a lot of money with this, but what you can do is get a bunch of these type of apps, and I'll show you few more, and then the sum of all the money from these data collection app that you don't have to do anything, or can be nice little extra passive income you can make. So guys, it's again is like a market research company, and all they do is collect data on how people use app, and you know how often people watch YouTube on their phones, and you know stuff like that. So it just helps them to understand the way phone works. So if you talk about rating, it's 3.4 star out of 5, and they have a lot of positive review here. I've been using Nielsen app for a while, and I have no complaints. It's easy to download, so a lot of people are giving a positive review about this app. So go ahead and check it out guys, download this, and I leave link below in the description of this video, so go ahead and check it out. So the another app guys is also similar to Nielsen mobile app, and it's called Mobile Expression Panel. So you can see here it's got 4.3 ratings out of 5, and a lot of people give a mixed review about this. Some people make money with this, some people will not, but as far as rating, they have pretty much good rating. So basically you can get paid for just letting them collect data in the background, and usually guys they give you like $5 Amazon gift card or something when you sign up with them, and they pay you like annually on the top of that. So go ahead and check it out guys. So these are the membership benefits you can get when you join. So basically you can earn credit instantly when you join and continue to earn credit by simple keeping the app active. So you don't have to do anything, just on the app, and the app will collect data and then you get paid. So basically you can redeem your credit for a gift card to great selection of retailers, and your points guys will never expire as long as you have an active member. So there are a lot of positive review about this guys. Go ahead and check it out. It's called Mobile Expression Panel. So it's got 500,000 install guys. So a lot of people are installing this app and it's got pretty much positive review. So go ahead and check it out. It's called Mobile Expression Panel guys, and I leave a link below in the description of this video for all apps, so you can go from there. So guys, these are the basically 6 websites that we are going to talk about today. So if you like this video guys, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video guys, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you new to my channel, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos daily that provide you tremendous amount of value. So go ahead and smash the subscribe button guys, and if you would like to learn how I generate $100 a day online, so click the first link in the description of the video and I will share with you some more information about the system. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.